My name is Arhama. I'm from Sierra Leone, West Africa. I'm 38 years old. I was suffering from a condition called bow leg deformity for the past 15 years. So through the internet, I came in touch with a medical agency called MediGence. They facilitated my trip to India to a hospital called Aakash. There the surgery was done and the physiotherapy session was coordinated by MediGence. My experience with them is wow, especially Dr. Ryan. He's been punctual, giving me different types of training. For the past 3 weeks since the surgery, I've found a very good development. So much improvement on my walking and my climbing of stairs. And I appreciate them so much. Very reliable people. I hope to continue my physiotherapy with them online through Dr. Al. And one of the secretary or what? Her name is Arhama. Very nice people. In general, MediGence is just wow. MediGence and Aakash Hospital, their staff, nurse, all very caring. I appreciate them so much for that. Thank you very much.